Hey YouTube, the red screen you get on the NX8, I just had it and got out of it again, and I wanted to catch it on film so bad so that it would help other people that get the red screen that says system error, send in for repairs. I have tried everything, pressing this button, that button, these buttons at the same time, etc. This is how you do it. You simply do not touch your transmitter and you let the inactive alarm come on. And as soon as it comes on, tap the scroll wheel and you're at your main screen. Give that a shot. I hope it works for people. And if I get a couple of thumbs up or likes or something on this channel, I will put out some more videos of me and the RC airplane a hobby, and I'll show you guys how I do some things a little more hands-on. Just to give you a quick little view of my hangar, that's a SIG Edgestra. I love the foam planes. There's a tractor I've flown about 2 times. This is my very first Apprentice several years ago. I knocked the dust off of it when COVID hit because we had nothing to do, and I'm hooked ever since. My 300 is my most favorite plane ever. There's the Apprentice body that I use for as a test plane for the workbench, just to test mixes and stuff out. Here's a little small mini wing setup. That way you're not fiddling and trying things on a full-size plane. You can do something small, you know. And a couple other planes here. My FMS Beaver, I love it. This is a Tower Hobbies Edge 540. My first balsa plane. And my Pitts, which I absolutely love. I've got a Tiger Moth by Dynam that I've only put together and haven't flown it. And of course my UMX Timber. I hope this fix for the red screen on the NX8 helps you. And if I get a few thumbs up, I'll put a couple other videos out and show you guys more hands-on stuff as I'm sitting here watching somebody else. Hey, thank you so much. Bye.